It's mushrooms guisado or stewed mushrooms today from the simplest of ingredients, just 3, plus any additions of your choice. But we're adding cream. Hello, welcome to my small kitchen. Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. This is a channel where we grow, cook and share. By the way, this is Romulo, the presenter and owner of this channel. We're cooking a very vegetarian dish today. This is usually cooked with pork or chicken, but we're dropping both to make it 100% vegetarian. It is mushroom guisado or stewed mushroom. Mushroom, by the way, is the perfect replacement for meat. And to make it even tastier, we'll add cream. It's nothing different from the usual stir fry that we know, or all the guisados that we know. We start with the onion and garlic. But by the way, I'll show you the ingredients now. Here, champignon or mushrooms, onions and garlic, just straight. Simple, but I might as well show you how I prepare them. No washing, just brush off any dirt. It's sponge-like, so it will absorb water, and we don't like that. Just slice it. Onions and garlic. And voila, very simple. Of course, we'll be needing some seasoning. I'll be telling them later as we proceed. As always, it's suggested to start with the onions. It's because the garlic easily burns and the taste bitter if they are burned. And for the onions, their taste depends on how much they're cut or how long they're cut. The longer we cook them, they get caramelized and they taste sweeter and more aromatic. We can add the garlic. Let's add some flavoring. Since this is purely vegetarian, I'm adding some chicken flavoring, chicken powder. Notice that I'm adding it now at this stir fry. That's something I discovered. It really tastes different. You can taste the difference, I should say, when the flavoring is infused in the oil rather than in the water. If you can only smell it, I'll add the onions, no, not the onions, the champignon or the mushrooms now, before the chicken powder burns. Stay there because there's another addition that you might not be expecting. It is colatura. What is that? By the way, if you're from the Philippines and you might be expecting this to be cooked a la adobo, then you're not mistaken. We're cooking this a la adobo. Adobo style. But I'll be dropping the soy sauce. I don't need a coloring here. Now comes what we're not expecting. The colatura, or the fish sauce, or the patis. Just drop because it's tastes strong, but it gives extra flavor. You can notice the difference. It's difficult to describe. See, just drops. This can taste strong. But gives wonder. Now, I'll be adding, I have two options. I have an option, I should say. I can add half cup of wine, white wine, or since I don't have it, I'm gonna use a more common and more accessible, more available ingredient, which is vinegar. Now, does it sound like adobo? I'll just be adding less than 1/4 cup. Let's just wait until this briskly boils. Let the acidity evaporate. To enhance the flavor further, I'm adding frozen vegetables, paprika or chili or pepper and carrots, just for the color. I should have added the carrots since they're frozen. I should have added the carrots earlier. Please forgive me. I should have added the carrots earlier because it takes longer to cook. And still, they're frozen, so that it's more time needed. This is briskly boiling now. I can add the rest. I just added salt and pepper, which always go together. Now I'm adding cream, which I have discovered the best cream to use. It's just a replacement when we don't have a cream, but it's even better. I haven't been using cream since I've discovered this. Cream cheese. Cream cheese. And if you don't have cream, just milk and butter. Cream cheese. Just a tip, when using milk instead, add it at the very end because it will curdle. If you don't mind. If you don't mind this curdling, it's okay. Mushroom easily cooks, and I'm sure this is ready to serve. I'll show you. Look at this. There should be a better way of presenting this. Let's taste it. The use of the pates or the colatura might be a surprise to many people. And the vinegar. Really good. It's really delicious. I don't regret not adding pork, although I was planning to add it. I think I'll consider vegetarianism. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you've been inspired to do the same, or to cook the same. What was this again? It is champignon, or it is mushrooms. guisado at the adobo style with cream here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Thank you for joining me. I'd like to see you next time. I hope to be able to bring an update from the garden.